If your sales team is missing quota by 35% or more, you're fixing the wrong problem. In fact, 87% of sales leaders waste 6 months attacking symptoms while the real revenue leaks compound. I'm about to show you the 3 core issues killing 80% of revenue teams and give you the same 8-minute diagnostic that exposes exactly where your deals die. Let me tell you about Sarah's $4.2 million discovery that almost ended her career. VP of sales at a $75 million cybersecurity company, 90 days away from being fired. 3 straight quarters missing quota by over 50%. The board meetings that felt like interrogations, and a CEO who basically stopped taking her calls. Her diagnosis at the time: our reps need better objection handling and negotiation. So the solution: $125K in sales training over 6 months. And the result? Performance got worse. Hey, I'm Marcus Shan, Wall Street Journal bestselling author and CEO of Venly Consulting Group. With over 14 years in corporate sales and executive sales leadership, I led 9-figure sales orgs that consistently delivered systematic revenue predictability. Now here's what Sarah discovered that almost cost her career. When you fix the wrong conversion leak, you don't just waste time and money, you make performance worse while your competitors systematically improve. Sarah's real problem wasn't objection handling. Only 23% of her qualified leads were reaching economic buyers, while her top performers were engaging C-level stakeholders 73% of the time. The objection handling training was like putting a band-aid on a severed artery. After analyzing hundreds of revenue teams, we found the same 3 core conversion leaks in over 80% of organizations. These are epidemic, and if you have them, nothing else matters until they're systematically fixed. So core issue number 1, discovery quality gaps. This is found in 84% of teams. Your reps are asking about technical requirements, not business impact quantification. Prospects say, send me more information, or I need to think about it. You're losing more deals to no decision than to actual competitors. Mark's team at a $40 million HR tech company was losing 60% of qualified opportunities to status quo because his reps never uncovered the cost of inaction. No quantified pain equals no urgency equals no deal. Core issue number 2, management system gaps. This is found in 78% of teams. Your managers spend pipeline reviews talking about deal status instead of methodology execution. Reps are improving conversion rates over time despite regular 101. For instance, Jennifer promoted her top performer to sales manager. 6 months later, team performance had to actually decline because she was closing deals for struggling reps instead of teaching them systematic framework. Core issue number 3, process definition gaps. This is found in 71% of teams. Deals skip stages or move backwards in your pipeline. Qualified doesn't mean the same thing to different reps. Your forecast accuracy is under 70%. For instance, David's cybersecurity firm forecasted demos scheduled at 40% likelihood, but historical data showed that deals in the stage actually closed at 12%. Ultimately, his pipeline was fiction. But here's what most leaders don't realize. The big 3 are just the obvious ones. There are 9 more hidden conversion leaks that slowly strangle growth without obvious symptoms. High-performing revenue leaders audit for all of them systematically. And these conversion leaks, they compound exponentially. A Series C identity management company had multiple critical issues. Instead of systematic framework installation, they said, hey, let's try 1 more quarter with better activity metrics. 3 months later, performance declined another 15%, 2 reps gave notice, and the board brought in an outside CRO, and that original VP was terminated. Total cost of waiting, $8.7 million in missed revenue plus executive turnover. This is exactly why I created the complete revenue leak diagnostic, the same 12 category assessment framework we use with clients who invest $25K or more in professional diagnostics. It covers the big 3 core issues plus the 9 hidden conversion leaks. The frequent 4 that amplify your foundational problems, the structural 3 that create long-term performance ceilings, and the situational 2 that limit optimization opportunity. Now, Sarah used the exact methodology. Once she installed systematic stakeholder engagement frameworks targeting her real conversion leaks, her team hit 114% of the quota for the next quarter. She kept her job and got promoted to CRO 6 months later and is now a CRO at a $200 million a year company. Ultimately, the diagnostic reveals patterns that create massive recovery opportunities. An enterprise software company doing 85 million a year discovered discovery gaps, process issues, and management problems. After installing our systematic frameworks, they achieved 89% quota attainment. That's a 31% improvement, plus 12 million in additional ARR. A $40 million professional services firm went from missing quota to 156% quota attainment in 1 quarter after we identified their methodology and cultural issues. A $25 million fintech startup cut their ramp time from 14 months to 6 months and achieved 92% first-year retention. The pattern is really clear. Companies that use this diagnostic to install systematic frameworks see 40 to 80% conversion improvements. Most teams uncover 2 to 10 million plus in recoverable revenue opportunities. So every quarter you delay fixing these conversion leaks is a quarter of missed revenue that never comes back. And your competitors aren't waiting. They're using systematic diagnostics while you're hoping generic training will finally work. That's why I'm going to give you the complete revenue leak diagnostic report absolutely free. The same methodology that saved Sarah's career and turned her into a CRO. You'll get the 8-minute assessment that pinpoints exactly where your deals die, Sarah's complete transformation playbook, real recovery case studies showing how teams found 4.2 million to 12 million plus in hidden revenue, and the systematic framework that creates lasting 40 to 8% conversion improvements. So click the link in the description to download your free diagnostic report now. Find out exactly where your revenue is dying and how much each leak is costing you. So remember, 94% of internal fixes fail because they attack symptoms instead of systematic issues. But when you use this diagnostic to identify the right conversion leaks and install the right frameworks, you don't just recover, you systematically outperform competitors who are just still throwing money at symptoms. Just imagine 6 months from now. Do you want me to explain another missed quarter to your board, or present the best conversion performance in company history? The systematic approach that saves Sarah's career is in your free diagnostic report, but only if you stop hoping and start implementing systematic solutions. Download it now. Your revenue depends on it. And if you want to see the exact onboarding system over 80,000 executive leaders have leveraged to cut down new hire ramp time, I'll see you in this next video right here.